It's Barkspeed time. Run BT, Errol. Hi guys, it's Friday. It is Barkspeed time, and today, more door work. I'm going to try and get them blown over in primer, and then, only then, I might put a bit of blue on. Okay, so when I was doing some work on this, I found that there's a little bit of filler that needs to be sanded down here. And then I've got to address just this, just to make sure that it's smooth so it doesn't show through. And also there's another little bit here where we did the filling last week that needs looking at. So I'm going to put you on time lapse and we'll go from there. Cheers. Okay, so you can see I've blown in this corner, I've blown in around there and over there, and there was a heart mark there and a mark there, so that can be ready for, let that dry. Right, sanded it down, and now I'm going to put a bit of blue on just to see what it looks like. So take it away, Keith. Right, so round the edges first, making sure that that pipe does not touch what you've just painted, and then slowly but surely you work your way into the middle. So as you can see, I'm going round the edge, laying in the edge. I've got a bit of a twist in the pipe there, so I thought I'd twiddle it round to get it sorted, but yeah, so I'm going along the edge, then I'm working my way back, slowly but surely just laying the paint on, very slowly laying it on, just getting it covered, mixed up enough in there. There's about half a canister of paint in there, and that will do one door, all round the edges and then right the way across the middle. And I still had a little bit over after, but there we go. Slowly laying it on, very slowly, trying not to make sure we've got any build up of paint in one particular area. Okay, so there we have it. One door down, one to go. Thanks for watching. See you next time.